My name is Nelson Mokhedi. We taught dogs how to use Kickstarter. They know how to use Kickstarter, bro. My dogs successfully sent a rocket ship to the moon. My dogs successfully started a business. My dog is Elon Musk. I am Elon Musk. I am Elon Musk. I would like you to be my bitch. No, I would like you to just be happy. Are you good? Are you not better enough? Because I exist. I am the Lord. I am the Messiah. Australia, they groove to good music because they know how to use. They taught their dogs how to use Kickstarter too. The universe. The universe is my brother, and death is my bitch. No, I live in Brasilia State. Actually, I live on this cruise ship, nigga. I live on a cruise ship called Elon Musk.
How do you know Elon Musk?
I just confused the shit out of you. You have no idea what's going on here.
I think I got a good idea.
Do you understand? Do you see how powerful I am? Do you see I am the Messiah? Do you want to know that all these black people will mobilize against you in 1 second if you don't shut the fuck up, bitch? In 1 second, all these black people will own your ass. Do you know who I am now? You can get me whatever the fuck I want, bitch. Black people. It's nice to change the. It's nice to change, eh? It's nice to change, bitch. How's it feel now? Bitch! How does it feel now? Sorry, my tongue is going to. My tongue is going to. Would you like to have a truce? Would you like to relax a little bit? Would you like to breathe, bitch? Before I teach you guys a little lesson. We're going to successfully change the world together. Because I am the Lord. All of these black people turn in 1 second and destroy everything. Every dog in the world is mine. Every animal is mine. Everything will destroy. Because my dogs know how to use Kickstarter. Why don't you shut the fuck up, bitch? Across where the moon is. The moon knows how to use Kickstarter. All the moon needed was a Kickstarter.